If you want your ElevenLabs voiceovers to sound more natural, expressive, and human, then learning how to add emotions is a must. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add emotional cues in ElevenLabs using the advanced models, so you can make your scripts feel more alive and engaging. This is especially useful if you're creating storytelling content, YouTube videos, ads, or any project where plain robotic speech just doesn't cut it. And before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're using one of the advanced models, such as 11v3. These newer models support emotional direction, which means you can guide the voice to sound excited, sad, angry, whispering, laughing, sighing, or even gasping. Now here's the key part. You add the emotion directly inside square brackets before the text you want spoken. So if you want the voice to sound excited, you would type the emotion tag first, then continue with your sentence. For example, you can write, followed by your line of text. If you want a softer or more dramatic delivery, you could use before the sentence. And if you want the voice to sound secretive or quiet, is a great option. The same idea works for all the available tags you can use. That means you can shape the way the AI speaks and make it match the mood of your script much better. For example, if you're creating a dramatic story, you might start one line with, then use for an emotional sentence, and later switch to can help the voice sound more energetic and engaging right away. A good tip is to keep the tags simple and place them right before the line they should affect. That makes it easier for ElevenLabs to understand the emotional direction you want. You can also test different tags on the same sentence to see which delivery sounds best for your project. Sometimes, a small change in emotion can completely transform how professional your audio feels. Once you've added your emotion tags, generate the voice and listen back carefully. If the result is too strong or not strong enough, go back and adjust the wording or try a different emotional cue. This trial and error process is normal, and it's the best way to get the exact style you want. So to recap, use ElevenLabs advanced models like 11.3, place your emotion in square brackets before the text, and choose from tags like and P to control the tone. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add emotions in ElevenLabs and make your AI voiceovers sound far more expressive. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.